Why black houses are a growing trend. Dear friends, black houses are a growing trend for many different reasons. If you are considering painting the outside of your home black, it can be particularly beneficial to understand the various benefits of a black house. A growing trend. Staying with growing trends can often aid in improving the value of your property. In addition, growing trends can help to provide you with extra confidence to follow those trends on your own. We first started seeing black houses around 2017, but they have been constantly growing since then. When you see other black houses, you can obtain the confidence that you need to take the plunge for yourself. It can be useful to keep various trends in mind to provide you with inspiration and motivation to make the right decisions for your property. Absorbs the heat from the sun. Black colors are not reflective. This helps to ensure that they absorb heat from the sun. This can be both an advantage and disadvantage, depending on where you live and the time of year. For one thing, heat absorption can help to reduce your heating expenses during the winter. However, it can also cause your cooling costs to increase during the warmer summer months. You should likely keep your regular climate in mind when you are trying to decide if you want to paint your home black or not. Pinterest trends. Pinterest trends can help to provide you with information about the various growing trends that you should be aware of. It is important to note that the amount of Pinterest saves regarding black houses has grown exponentially in recent years. Easily matched tones. Black is a neutral color. This helps to ensure that you can obtain more options regarding the other colors that you use for your property. When you have a black exterior, it will be easier to choose siding colors or decorations that will match the existing color of your property. A different look. Make your home's exterior as unique as yourself. When you obtain a black paint job for your house, you can often help to provide a striking, beautiful appearance for your home. This can go a long way toward allowing your home to stand out. Obtaining a different look is just one of the multiple benefits that your new paint job can provide to your property. Helps to emphasize building lines and angles. Many architectural styles are comprised of building lines and angles that come together to form a wonderful appearance. When you implement a black paint job, you will be able to provide a unique emphasis to these various angles and lines. This helps you to obtain a much more pristine appearance for your property. In general, this can help to provide a modernized atmosphere for the property as well. Hide architectural features. If you have certain architectural features you don't enjoy, you may want to consider a black exterior paint job. These paint jobs can help to reduce the appearance of these features and can even hide them. Beautiful landscape backdrop. Black is a color that can provide a particularly unique contrast to the landscaping of your property. If you are passionate about your yard, you may want to consider a black exterior paint job to add a pop to your property. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.